everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. When it comes to the sharing and effortless connectivity, AirDrop stands as a flagship feature in the iOS ecosystem. With the release of iOS 17, some users have encountered AirDrop malfunctions, leaving them confused and seeking solution. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. For this, open settings menu and then tap on Wi-Fi. And then turn on your connection by sliding the Wi-Fi switch to the on position, and then revisit the settings menu when you have completed this step. Then proceed to Bluetooth section and then ensure that the Bluetooth switch is toggled on, and you are done. It is also advisable to restart your iPhone, iPad. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and then wait for some time and then press the power button again after 30 to 60 seconds until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is re-sign into iCloud account. Another recommended solution to address AirDrop not working after updating the iOS 17 issue is to sign out and signing back with the Apple ID. For this, go to your settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, scroll down and then choose sign out and proceed to log out from your iCloud account, and then close the settings app completely on your iPhone after logging out, and then open it again and then tap on sign in on your iPhone and then log back into your iCloud account by entering the credentials, and you are done. The next step is check the AirDrop settings. To begin with, you will have to open your iPhone settings. Next, scroll down and then tap on general section. Next, tap on AirDrop and then choose everyone for 10 minutes. Alternately, you can do this by accessing the control center and swiping it down on your iPhone, and then press and hold the AirDrop option. After you choose the everyone for 10 minutes settings from the menu that appears, and you are done. And the next step is disable personal hotspot, and you should also disable your VPN. For this, go to settings and then tap on VPN and then tap on the status toggle button to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is remove AirDrop restrictions. For this, you need to open the settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down and then tap on screen time. Next, scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restriction. Next, tap on allowed apps and ensure that the toggle next to AirDrop is switched on, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, choose reset and then choose reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your password, so enter your password and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of AirDrop not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.